Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to restrict data usage for apps on iPhone. So go ahead to your browser, and basically it says go ahead to the settings, cellular, and then turn the cellular data on or off for any app such as maps or service such as Wi-Fi assist, and that can use cellular data. If a setting is off, iPhone uses only Wi-Fi for that service. Note, Wi-Fi assist is on by default. So basically what you're gonna do, go to your settings and then go ahead to the cellular data, right? Make sure that basically the cellular data is on or off for any app, right? Such as maps and everything. As you can see right here, you will see the apps appearing in front of you. As you can see, if you color that one green, that means that will be basically cellular data will be used for the specific app, and you can start browsing and start using those apps. So as you can see right here, we are using those for cellular data, and Wi-Fi assist is on automatically. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.